String swapping two words. It's 5.4, exercise 5.4. Given a string consisting of exactly two words separated by a space, print a new string with the first and second word swapped. It means first word is second word and second word is first word. Consider all adjacent non-space characters a single word. Can you solve it without using the if, else, and loops? Okay, so the best way to do this is we have to find out at what index is a space, and luckily there's a method for that. Let's Google. Let's go to Google, find index of character in string of Python. How to get position of character in Python? And you use find. There are two string methods, find and index. The difference between the two is what happens when the search string isn't found. Find returns -1. Index gives an error. So let's use find. Find will give me the index. Let's go back. So I have s equals input, and I want to find space. I want to find the space, so I can say s dot find space. Now we're given a string consisting of exactly two words separated by a space. So we're going to assume that. We're not going to check if there's a space. We're just going to assume that there is a space. So what does that mean? That means this will give me the index of the space. So if space, in this case, space is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our first word consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not including 6. So word 1 equals, or word underscore 1 equals s from the beginning to reverse space, and it does not include space. And then word 2 our word 2 goes from space to length of s. We don't do -1 because we want to include this. If we do -1 at the end, we don't want to include it. And also here, we don't want to include the space. We want to include the space is included. That's the index of our space. We want to include the next one. So we say we want to start from space +1. So then what do we want to print? We want to print word 2 plus, give it a space, plus word 1. And I think that's good enough. Let's test it. Run our program, and I can say hello, comma, world, exclamation mark, and I get world space hello. If I submit my work, all tests pass, submit, and we're good to go.